Nature's canvas unfolds at Ahupe Ghat, where whispers of wind paint serenity's portrait. Fog and mist of Ahupe kiss the horizon as emerald hills embrace the sky's azure hue. Within Ahupe Ghat's embrace, souls are enchanted, hearts captivated by nature's allure, forging a timeless bond with its mesmerizing beauty and serene landscapes. Ahupe, which is at an elevation of 3,655 feet, is a pretty cool place to visit, especially in summer. Nestled in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district, Ahupe Ghat resides amidst the Western Ghats, and visitors can also enjoy the view of Machindragarh and Gorakhgarh, the twin peaks. Preserving Ahupe's pristine charm requires a collective commitment to minimize waste, pollution, and human impact, ensuring its natural splendor remains untouched for future generations to cherish. A warm welcome to all of you to a non-commercial hill station from Team jcmedia. As you embark on this journey to Ahupe Ghat, know that you are stepping into a pristine sanctuary of tranquility and wonder. Ahupe Ghat is adorned with diverse forests from lush evergreen to deciduous, boasting majestic species like teak, sal, bamboo, banyan, and mango, each weaving a tapestry of biodiversity. Within Ahupe's realms roam a plethora of wildlife, from the regal Bengal tiger to the elusive leopards, alongside sloth bears, Indian giant squirrels, and sambar deer. Bird song fill the air at Ahupe Ghat, home to an array of avian wonders including the vibrant Indian paradise flycatcher, the melodious Malabar whistling thrush, and the majestic Indian eagle owl. In the underbushes and streams of Ahupe, a world of fascinating creatures thrives, from the iridescent damsel flies to slithering spectacled cobra and the agile tree frogs. A wealth of medicinal treasures adorn Ahupe's landscape, from the healing neem and rejuvenating ashwagandha to aromatic tulsi and the versatile aloe vera, nurturing both body and soul. To preserve Ahupe Ghat's natural beauty, let's embrace sustainable practices, minimize waste, stay on designated trails, refrain from littering, and respect wildlife by observing from a distance. Protecting wildlife at Ahupe Ghat requires mindfulness. Avoid feeding or disturbing animals, refrain from using loud noises, and never remove or disturb plants or wildlife from their natural habitat. We invite you to embark on your own journey to Ahupe Ghat, where nature's wonders await. Come, experience the serenity and splendor of this pristine sanctuary firsthand. We thank you all for joining us on this exploration of Ahupe Ghat. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, from all of us at Team jcmedia, a love-filled farewell. Hasta la vista, sayonara, and dhanyavad.